In this video, I'll show you the fastest ways to fix error connection refused on Windows. Step 1. Check your internet connection. First, make sure your internet is working. Restart your router if needed. Try opening another website to confirm. Step 2. Clear cache and cookies. Open Chrome, click the three dots and go to Settings, then Privacy and Security, then Clear Browsing Data. Select Cookies and other site data and cached images and files, then click Clear Data. Step 3. Disable problematic extensions. Type Chrome://extensions in the address bar. Turn off all extensions temporarily, especially VPNs or ad blockers. Check if the website loads. Step 4. Reset network settings. Press Windows plus R, type CMD, and press Enter. In the command prompt, type ipconfig/flushdns, netchef winsock reset. Press Enter after each command, then restart your PC. Step 5. Check firewall or antivirus. Sometimes your firewall or antivirus blocks Chrome. Temporarily disable them and try again. Remember to re-enable protection afterward. That's it. Error connection refused should now be fixed, and websites will load normally. Like and subscribe